Guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this delicious African pancake. Here are all the ingredients that you'll need, and I'll be walking you through this recipe. Alright, let's go. So first of all, we are going to cut up our onions, our peppers, and if you are using spring onions, cut it up. Cut everything as finely as possible. Now it's time to put everything into the bowl. Go ahead and put your flour. I'm using plain because that's the only thing in the house, but you can use all-purpose flour. Add your salt, just a little bit of salt. We are gonna test this later to make sure it's tasting good. Add your sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar is enough. Then if you're using plain flour, then go ahead and add a little bit of baking powder, just a little bit. We're gonna use Knorr. You can use normal star Maggi, but we're gonna use Knorr, the whole thing, 2 of them. Add your eggs. If you're not good at breaking eggs, please break it into a bowl and remove all the shells. Then go ahead and add your milk. I'm gonna add a bit more milk later. There is a consistency that you're looking for. It needs to be light. Then we are adding the peppers and the onions and the spring onions into the bowl. Mix, 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 mix. Then add your oil, 2 spoons of oil. And that's all the ingredients that you need, but you need to taste and make sure it tastes good. You can spit it out later, but make sure it tastes good. So I'm just showing you how I spread my batter. There are other methods of doing this, but this is easy for me. So just use your spatula or whatever you use to mix your batter. Use it to spread it finely. This should be cooked on medium heat and always be present so it doesn't burn. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you a few more times, but it doesn't take long to cook because it's been spread very finely on the pan. Around 1 minute is enough to cook it very well. So I'm just repeating the process, but that's really it. You add your oil, you add, maybe I use 3 spoons, but depending on the size of your pan, add just enough so that you can spread it around the pan. Wait for it to cook a bit, flip it over, wait for it to cook for, let's say, 30 seconds more, and that's it. You have your pancake. It tastes so good. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This is a super easy recipe for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and please send me a review if you try this recipe. Have a nice day. Bye.